It is time for an update of my account. I didn't do any video for 6 months, actually, exactly 6 months. So it's been moving a lot. I mean, a lot of change happened. So I am showing you a 1 month chart now, but if I show you the last 6 months, which would be better, right? So you can see it looks like it started from a very low position, I mean low price, and within 6 months it grew a lot, but it's not the full story. So to recap on my previous video, which was 6 months ago, I've been very busy because I've been moving from a tropical island to mainland Japan. So I am actually living in Japan. I'm a Japan tax resident, so I pay all my tax in Japan, and I use Rakuten platform to do my trading, and I try to optimize it as much as possible by using the NISA. And every year the NISA is allowing you to invest, and all the profits you make within the NISA account are not non-taxable. And every year you got the maximum investment allocation available on the NISA. Within the NISA is 2,600,000 yen, and I try to fill it as much as possible. And it is for 2026 it is full. So why you see those the number looking like I've been growing my account from 3.7 million to 6,700,000. It's not the real picture. This is because I'm showing you the 6 months. If I switch to the 1 year, right now you can see the 1 year. What's going on here is at the end of the year 2025, I got my NISA, the oldest NISA, the old version of NISA used to be you could hold money within the NISA account for 5 years max. And I happen to have a quite big position with VTI, which I built over time, and it came to mature at the end of December. So it would have been closed automatically from NISA, and the system, if I were doing nothing, it would restart the position at the same price. And so what I thought is, since I had a lot of profit on that VTI, was about 80% plus. So I closed it. So you can see if I put my mouse over, it was at 5 million. My account, my total all position within the NISA and the taxable account were equal to 5,369,000, and I took the money and it went down to 3 million. And it looks scary, but it's not. My account did not fall from a cliff. It's like because you can see I could put back the money in. So it was not a trade down or a negative, something negative. It was actually taking profit. And since I moved from the tropical island to Honshu, I actually withdraw cash about 1,100,000. So I took out of my trading, and then so it looks like I'm trying to explain it properly. So this is why you see those big cliffs. It's because I didn't withdraw the money all at once. I withdraw from time to time, and that's why I built my position back, my trading portfolio. Basically, I built it back. So if you go back to my first video, which is the one before this video, you can see my total asset is pretty much didn't change for 6 months. But for me, it actually changed a lot because I could withdraw cash, and 6 months later I'm still at the same position financially. The thing is, okay, I got maybe an opportunity. I missed some opportunities maybe, but it's money. It's made to be fluid, and anyway, if I could grow it once, I'm gonna grow it again. So this is a 1 year trade. So a lot of things happen in my trading account. Since then, I did buy and sell many things. I'm not really a trader, but it's just like I like to take cash when there are good opportunities. So this is what is my current portfolio as of May 20th, 2026. So I still hold, my main position is Starbucks with 14%. Mind you, I used to have much more than that, but because I took profits. So the number one is Starbucks, number two is MasterCard, number three is Google, number four is Garmin, and the fifth is VTI, which is probably going to mature at the end of 2026. So I will have to rotate the money from this one. And then I have Meta, which is a Facebook, but nowadays everybody knows what is Meta. And recently, 2 days ago, I started a position with Uber and Berkshire and Amazon. Those three positions are brand new. They are 2 days ago positions. And I also have some Japanese equities, which is ASICS, my biggest one, with 6.5%, and Hitachi, and a small position with Toyota Motor. So this is my current portfolio. So this is so those positions equal to the current 6,700,000, and I still have a bit of cash as a reserve for because I'm looking for dips, especially with a new position. I want to add up if the position goes down about 15% or something like that. So I'm showing you the numbers this way now, so you can see. So the order is actually, it's sorted by day change, so it's not by size. Maybe I should try to by ascending size. Not, I don't want daily gain. I want, because daily gain doesn't mean much. I want the size. Maybe value. Let's go with value. Right. So that's the smallest one is Toyota. So we reverse it, descending, and now you can see my biggest one is Starbucks. If I go to the details, you can see I have still some positions since 2024, but I used to have much more, but those are the remaining ones. Anyway, the story with, I'm going to change the visual. The story with Uber, Berkshire, and Amazon. So I bought 40 shares of Uber 2 days ago, and 5 of Berkshire, and 5 of Amazon. And this money comes from, actually, from, it is a house money, from Google. You can see my Google trade here. My Google trade started, this one is started in 2025, 1st of April, like April Fool, but if you remember, it's Mr. Trump, President Trump, had his, the worldwide taxation issue, I mean not issue, but plan, strategy. So I bought 10 shares that day, and now they are at 155, and this is actually, now I have 13 shares, but I had 26, because I bought actually 20 shares on that day. I mean more than 20. However, so I did close half, because that trade on Google and Alphabet was so profitable. I thought like, wow, I could let it run, or another option was take all. But since it was more than double my money, so I took back my initial investment, and now the money is running. This is the house money. So this Google trade is for me the perfect setup. This one I don't need to close it anymore. I just let it go forever, or at least until I die. So with that money which I generated, I bought 250 shares of QXO, which is a company created by a very smart entrepreneur. I'm trying to remember his name. It's Brad Jacob. So Brad Jacob is a specialist of consolidating companies, and that a company which he created a couple of years ago. And with this company, he consolidates the DIY, or the construction market. And when I bought it, 250 shares at $20, and I was looking at hoping to get to to $26. But the thing is, the timing was bad. As soon as I bought it, it went down. So I went from $20 to $16 within a couple of weeks, and I didn't feel comfortable to hold on this position. So I closed it. So I lost 140,000 yen. But this is my experience because I've been trading equities for now about 10 years, but previously I used to trade Forex. And I lost a lot of money because I was not closing my losers. So I did learn from that time, and then now I don't let losing position run if I don't feel comfortable. That's why I was like, well, so I did make 440,000 with Google, and then I lost 140,000, but I saved my principal. I closed QXO, and then I bought some Uber, some Berkshire, and some Amazon, which I have more faith, and also I can hold much longer. So I'm not gonna keep you longer with this. So on final thoughts. So what about you? Do you hold on losers, or do you also close, or do you put some stop and close automatically? Let me know in the comments, and try to make more videos more often now that I move to the mainland